All right, let's take a look. It says, while pesticides and chemical fertilizers can increase population or production and yield, they can seep into groundwater. Fertilizers in streams can cause overproduction of algae and create dead zones in oceans as the chemicals travel downstream. Agribusiness use the practice of monocropping to use land more efficiently. Monocropping is the practice of planting only one crop on land that usually grows multiple crops. This practice reduces biodiversity and makes the plants less resistant to disease. Many modern techniques require much more water, which is often taken from groundwater aquifers. Groundwater is non-renewable, and the depletion of groundwater makes less for other uses. And there's a great deal of controversy over the use of GMOs. Little is known about the long-term effects of GMOs, and some think that they will eventually grow teeth and eat your brain. Yeah, that last part was a joke. Well, kind of. All right, so we're evaluating. We're kind of making a judgment. All right, so here we talk about, yes, they increase production, but here's a downside. All right, agribusiness, monocropping, more efficient, but here's the downside. Okay, modern techniques use groundwater. However, that means less for other uses. A great deal of controversy over the use of GMOs because little is known about it. All right, so let's see what this would look like on paper. Okay, so here's part D. So again, now we have 4 pretty good, well-developed paragraphs. And so at this point, you want to stop writing and move on to your final review, and then move on to the next question.